In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email in Outlook. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can write a clear message and send it with confidence. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox. Otherwise, sign in as you normally do. Once you're in, we'll create a brand new message. Look toward the top left and select New. This opens the Compose panel. If you see multiple options, choose Mail to start a standard email. You should now have a blank message ready to fill out. Let's add recipients. In the To field, type a name or an email address and select the correct contact from the suggestions. Use CC to include people who should be aware of the conversation but aren't the primary audience. Use BCC when you want recipients hidden from one another, which is helpful for large distributions or when privacy matters. Take a moment to confirm spellings and make sure you've chosen the right people. Next, write a clear, concise subject line that reflects the purpose of your message, like status update for Friday or question about the budget. A good subject helps recipients prioritize and makes your email easier to find later. Now move to the main body and type your message, lead with the most important point, then add context and any action items or deadlines. Keep paragraphs short and use line breaks for readability. You can apply basic formatting from the toolbar, emphasis, lists, or hyperlinks to relevant pages, just enough to make the message easy to scan. If you use an email signature, it will insert automatically. Give it a quick look to ensure it's current and professional. If you need to include documents or images, select Attach File from the ribbon. Choose files from your computer or your cloud storage depending on what works best. Large files may be shared as links, which is great for collaboration and version control. Before moving on, confirm you've attached the final version and that file names clearly indicate what they are. Before sending, do a quick review. The right recipients in To, CC, or BCC, a meaningful subject, a clear and polite message, and the correct attachments. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email will appear in the Sent folder, and you're done. If you notice an issue immediately afterward, look for a brief undo prompt at the bottom of the screen if available. And that's all it takes to compose and send an email in Outlook.